Electric blankets make cold nights much more comfortable, but because they contain built-in heating wires and electrical components, many people worry they'll damage them by washing them. The good news is that most modern electric blankets can be safely cleaned as long as you follow the manufacturer's instructions and use the right method. Washing them incorrectly, however, can damage the wiring, reduce their heating performance, or even create a safety hazard. The first thing you should always do is check the care label. Not every electric blanket is washable, and the manufacturer's instructions should always take priority. If the label says the blanket is machine washable, you can usually clean it at home. If it recommends hand washing only, avoid putting it in the washing machine. Before washing, unplug the blanket completely and disconnect the power cord and controller. Never place electrical controllers, cords, or plugs into water. Inspect the blanket carefully for frayed wires, burn marks, loose stitching, or damaged connectors. If you notice any exposed wiring or signs of wear, it's safest to stop using the blanket altogether rather than trying to wash it. If there are only a few small stains, you may not need to wash the entire blanket. Mix a small amount of mild laundry detergent with cool water, dip a soft cloth into the solution, and gently blot the stained area. Avoid scrubbing aggressively, as excessive rubbing can damage the fabric or the heating wires hidden inside. For machine washable blankets, use a front-loading washing machine whenever possible. Top-loading machines with a center agitator can twist and stretch the internal wiring. Select a gentle or delicate cycle using cold or lukewarm water, and use only a small amount of mild liquid detergent. Harsh detergents, bleach, fabric softeners, and strong stain removers should all be avoided because they can damage both the fabric and the insulation around the electrical wiring. Don't overload the washing machine. The blanket should have enough room to move freely so it isn't pulled or twisted during the cycle. If your washing machine is too small, consider using a larger machine at a laundromat, or wash the blanket by hand instead. If your blanket requires hand washing, fill a bathtub or large basin with cool or lukewarm water, and add a small amount of mild detergent. Gently submerge the blanket and lightly squeeze the water through the fabric for several minutes. Avoid wringing, twisting, or scrubbing the blanket, as these motions can damage the internal heating elements. After washing, drain the soapy water and rinse thoroughly with clean water until no detergent remains. Once the blanket is clean, remove as much excess water as possible without twisting it. If using a washing machine, choose a low-speed spin cycle if the care label allows it. Otherwise, gently press the blanket between clean towels to absorb extra moisture. Drying is just as important as washing. Many modern electric blankets can be tumble-dried on the lowest heat setting for a short period, but always follow the care label because some manufacturers recommend air drying only. High heat can damage the insulation around the heating wires and shorten the blanket's lifespan. If air drying, lay the blanket flat on a drying rack or hang it evenly over a clothesline so its weight is well supported. Avoid hanging it from one corner, as the weight of the wet fabric can stretch or damage the internal wiring. Keep the blanket away from direct sunlight, radiators, space heaters, or other strong heat sources while it dries. Never reconnect the controller or plug the blanket into an outlet until it is completely dry. Even a small amount of trapped moisture inside the electrical connectors can cause a short circuit or damage the controls. Depending on the thickness of the blanket and the humidity in your home, drying may take anywhere from several hours to a full day. Once it's dry, inspect the blanket again before using it. Lay it flat and look for any lumps, exposed wires, damaged stitching, or unusual creases where the heating wires may have shifted. Plug it in and test it for a few minutes to make sure it heats evenly without unusual hotspots or flickering controls. To keep your electric blanket in good condition, you don't need to wash it frequently. Washing it once or twice each season is usually enough unless it becomes heavily soiled. Using a removable duvet cover or blanket cover can help keep it clean and significantly reduce how often it needs to be washed. With proper care, gentle washing, and careful drying, an electric blanket can stay clean, safe, and comfortable for many years. The key is to protect the internal wiring by avoiding harsh washing methods, high heat, and rough handling, ensuring you stay warm without compromising safety.